children learn better through song. If you find out your child's favorite song, you can collaborate those songs and 7 days of the week, just like Ethan did. So if you don't have the instrument, you can make your own. And for example, you can use the egg and just pop out the egg. Just use the egg. You know, for Easter egg, after you're done with the Easter egg, you can use the egg and put something in there, something small to fit in here. So anything small, it will make music. Like you can use cereal, you can use beads, you can use rice, and put in the egg and snap it in. Okay, and the same way with this paper plate. Okay, you put in here and use a staple to staple them, and it's gonna make musical sound for your child to play, and they're gonna have a great day and fun day that they can create your own music instrument. All right, have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.